Hey guys, today I'm taking you to a hidden waterfalls right here in Discovery Bay, Hong Kong. This is one of the easiest and prettiest nature spot in DB that most people don't know about. To get here, it's super convenient. From Tong Chong, take the DBO 1-hour bus, only takes about 15 to 25 minutes. From Sunny Bay, the DBO 3-hour bus gets you here in 15 to 20 minutes. Just get off at the last stop. And if you're coming from Central, the ferry pier number 3 takes around 25 minutes. Super relaxing pa ang ride.
Once you're in Discovery Bay, after you exit the Discovery Bay pier, turn to your left. Walk a bit, and you'll see the bus stop on your right. That's where most people start if they came by bus. From there, continue walking towards the golf club. Walk a bit, then cross the road. After crossing, head up Discovery Valley Road. Look for the small path on your right side. From the road, it's only about 15 minutes of easy walking to reach the waterfalls and rock
Hi guys,
pools.
nandito na tayo. So ito, meron ditong sign. Pwede kayong dumaan dito. Pero hindi ako dyan dumadaan. Doon ako dumadaan sa kabila. Oh my God, look at the water. Okay, dito ako dumadaan kasi feeling ko mas delikado dyan. Wow. Ano pala? So, dito na ako lulusot, guys. Ayan, katabi niyang reduce speed now. Tapos meron na yan. So, dito ako